The power of starting an online business. What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video, and today we're talking about the power of starting an online business. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Alright, man, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel, Wealthbuilderz TV, and share this video with everybody, okay? I post Sunday, Monday, and Thursday, where we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So let's get to the topic on hand. Let's jump into the power. What the power of starting an online business. I'm gonna say power like that for most of the video. Nah, for real though. Alright, so questions before I get started. I got questions for you guys. What do you consider an online business? Alright, I want you to leave these comments in below. What do you consider an online business? Do you consider being an influencer an online business? Do you consider having, well, wait, hold on. First of all, do you know what an influencer is? Someone like Gary Vee, who else comes to mind? Brian Tracy, Kadar Kumwer, there's a few influencers out there. It's a lot of influencers out there. And, you know, man, people like me, I'm an influencer. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So do you consider being an influencer in online business? Do you consider having a Shopify store online business? How about a blog? Or do you consider a YouTube channel an online business, okay? What do you consider an online business? I would like to know, all right? Because this is the beauty of having an online business. It could be many things. It could be all those things in one, okay? You can have a business that incorporates all those things I just stated, okay? You can start for less than $100 though. That's the number one beauty of an online business, okay? You don't need to break the bank or take out a loan to start an online business. There isn't a whole bunch of risk associated with starting an online business. You can build an online business while keeping your day job, folks, okay? It's very easy to start. You don't have to, up and leave your career before your online business takes off. And honestly, you can take what you do in your career and move it to an online business, okay? You can expand easily. Most of the time with the regular brick and mortar business, you can't just expand at the speed you want to. But with the online business, you can expand as quick as you want. And what I mean by expand, like you can change directions or you can add things into it. So like for instance, let's take fishing, okay? So like you like fishing. You love fishing. My dad, he's a fisher. He loves fishing, right? And I told him how to go on YouTube. Well, I showed him how to go to YouTube and search for things that he wanted to know about. He wanted to know about using a certain bait. He wanted to learn about how to, do a certain fishing move or something like that. And he checked out the sites, the YouTube channels, whatever, and he got his information. But what I'm saying is, hey, so like you got a YouTube channel and you about fishing, right? So then what you do is you direct people from that YouTube video into a Shopify store that you built yourself. Okay, so there you go. You are a YouTube channel. You are an influencer on YouTube. You influence people to go to the Shopify store and you influence them to go buy something on that Shopify store. And that's how you made your money. You make your money through your YouTube views sometimes and ads and all that good stuff. And then you make more money on your Shopify store when people go to the Shopify store and purchase something. There you go. See how everything combines with the online business? So many things you can do with an online business, all right? And you could take it further by creating an email list of people that are interested in what you're marketing. Okay, say sometimes they might not buy as soon as they, check you out, but they get on your email list and say, hey, you keep marketing to them in the email list. Ding, 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 ding. That's how you create your own economy. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, and my favorite thing about having an online business is that you can actually create financial freedom along with having freedom. Okay, you don't have to be stuck at your desk all day. You don't have to be stuck on your laptop all day. Okay, you can have freedom of choice where you want to be, where you want to work, how you want to do it, all this good stuff. Okay, and you don't even have to leave your job. You can have more flexibility in your income and not just depend on a linear income from your job. Linear meaning just straight line. You know how much you're gonna get paid every week, and you know that you're gonna get paid $500, $600 this week, and that's about it. Okay, from a job. But say like if you have a job and then you have an online business, say like you're getting that $600 a week from your job, and then hey, maybe you got $400 from your online business this week, and then the next week maybe you only made $100. But then in the week after that, maybe you skyrocketed and made $1,000 from your online business. And at the same time, you got your consistent income from your day job. See what I'm saying? It's not rocket science, people. Very easy. Just pick a niche and go with it, all right? If you've watched this far, then you, my friend, are ready to start an online business, all right? So what I want you to do is click the link below to find out more about what I recommend to use to start an online business with. All right, it's my #1 tool that I use to build my online business with. I've used it to create a multiple six-figure income all online. All right, this tool is the ground floor of what I built my business on. All right, so thanks for watching. It's your boy DeVaughn signing off for the power of starting. Hold on. Let me say that right. The power of starting a online business. Do remember, Wealthbuilders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Damn it, you still here? Alright, since you're still here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you're ready to watch more videos, of course, check out more videos. Alright, peace.